Thank you for choosing this video to watch. This is a box I made a while ago. It's basically just a couple of oscillators connected to these touch plate controllers that were designed based on Synth DIY Guy's video, which there's a box right up here you can click to go see it. And I have revamped it because I was just using a couple very simple oscillators that didn't really respond. I put a couple nicer ones in there that should make some nice sounds. And I redid this control board. Anyway, I'm going to turn this over so you can see the details, and I'll play you what it sounds like as it is, and then I'm going to also route it through this crazy ODA filter by AI Synthesis. And here's the box right up here. You can go to see their video, and I'll play you some creepy Halloween music. How about that? Okay, here's what it sounds like with no filter. Okay, I forgot to mention that this is a speaker here, and this is a little bitty speaker here too. And so I had to mic it. So this mic is connected to the filter over here, and I'll direct you that way. Here is the AI Synthesis voltage controlled filter, and that means that instead of me controlling the filter with this knob, I'm having voltages control it. And the voltages are being sequenced by this sequencer here, the transient module 8S, and this one, the Korg SQ1. So, they're both going right now. I have this routed through the mixer, so we're just going to go like this. See that? There's one control there. And here's another one here. Sounds kind of random, but it's interesting. And then I'll go back over here and play.